Hammers and screws, bagging up food, bagging up food, bagging up food, bagging up food. You wouldn't guess we used to call that loose. Animal man like animals do. Animals do. Animals do. You talk slick when the camera's on you. You weren't like that when mama's on you. Fist first corn, you'll lose. Dot spinning 3-2s. Nuclear spacious man's round acres. And your mother said tidy your room. Hammers and screws, bagging up food. Man have been trappy and gal have been loose. Watch it lock tight. You wouldn't guess we used to call that loose. Animal man like animals do. Owns for the low, that's a cannabis boot. Them man there can't stand a man's shoes. The hammers man use give man a man spooks. Tesco bad man's carrying food. They left with man, so have it with you. You talk slick when the camera's on you. You weren't like that when mama's on you. All black, Wayne, Bruce. My young boys are the staying in suits. Cold out here, true. Buy that smoke before that Canada goose. Hammers and screws, hammers and screws. My bros vex in the slammer with screws. Up face, give him man the sharpest tool. AJ's give him man flute. Spinners will do. Beyblade, rip it on you. You would have thought of his TSG by the way man spin it on you. Man's unruly, villainous true. They just live as civilians do. Silliest crew, just move how idiots move. Chat so gracious, cats them grateful. Niggas show me gratitude. Them man only got racks on tunes. Got a pen gal showing me racks, that's boo. Young boy when they get racks in two, don't tick now, make sure you back that too. If you would act and act with you, when you get that pack, just crack it in two. I'll make do. Three my niggas been banging their doors when the radios play man's tunes. Way back when used to butt man's face so the 3-2 weren't in use. You thought that was your main one to slip to my tick like oops. Fist first corn, you'll lose. Dot spinning 3-2s. Nuclear spacious man's round acres. And your mother said tidy your room. Hammers and screws, bagging up food. Man have been trappy and gal have been loose. Watch it lock tight. You wouldn't guess we used to call that loose. Animal man like animals do. Owns for the low, that's a cannabis boot. Them man there can't stand a man's shoes. The hammers man use give man a man spooks. Tesco bad man's carrying food. They left with man, so have it with you. You talk slick when the camera's on you. You weren't like that when man was on you. Ooh, black, Wayne, Bruce. That's how man was banging in twos. That's how man was banging on you. Better fat music, I don't slap it at you. That's some real shit. First me and M, then we bought Gims, then we bang hella goons. Started rapping up utes, rapping up tunes, then racking in views. It's big bad, 25 shots. Still come to you and get it you got. Them big man had their time on my 6-7 goons, got the city on lock. Gang, gang. Yeah, we do music, but we ain't rich, so we're setting up shop. Snoopy walked in, D squared out in his arse as a packer with rocks. French. Now check this. Before I ever wore loops, before I even knew hoops, I had me a hand ting trying to slap youths. Respect this. Me and my 6-7 goons. Yeah, we're still trapping and drilling and fucking up shows with million views. Yeah, all of that. Yeah, we're serious guys. Just know when I come through speeding, waving my hand, I ain't come to say hi. Bullets do fly, people get hit, and mothers do cry. I said bullets do fly, people get hit, and mothers do cry. Fist first corn, you'll lose. Dot spinning 3-2s. Nuclear spacious man's round acres. And your mother said tidy your room. Hammers and screws, bagging up food. Man have been trappy and gal have been loose. Watch it lock tight. You wouldn't guess we used to call that loose. Animal man like animals do. Owns for the low, that's a cannabis boot. Them man there can't stand a man's shoes. The hammers man use give man a man spooks. Tesco bad man's carrying food. They left with man, so have it with you. You talk slick when the camera's on you. You weren't like that when mama's on you. Hammers and screws, bagging up food. Wouldn't guess we used to call that loose.